Did you know your TV might have a hidden menu with settings even most repair techs don't know about? You might have bought your TV, set it up, and never looked at the settings again. But there's a whole world of options beyond what you see on the regular menu. These are often called secret or service menus, and they're usually hidden from the average user. They're not there for you to tweak every day, but more for technicians who need to make specific adjustments. Different TV brands have different ways to access these menus, and once you're in, you can find all sorts of advanced settings. The hidden world behind your screen. Modern televisions are far more than just screens, they're powerful computers packed with features most users never discover. While the standard settings menu gives you basic control over picture, sound, and apps, there's often an entire secret layer of advanced options hiding beneath the surface. These hidden menus, commonly called service menus, developer settings, or advanced calibration tools, are typically designed for technicians, manufacturers, and power users. But here's the exciting part: with the right knowledge, you can unlock these features to dramatically improve your viewing experience, customize performance, and even troubleshoot issues without calling a professional. However, these menus are powerful, and sometimes risky, so understanding them is essential before diving in. You can find picture calibration options that let you fine-tune the image quality. There are also audio adjustments that can enhance your viewing experience. Some menus even have diagnostic tools to help troubleshoot issues. These can range from simple picture tests to more complex system checks. Some of these options can be really useful. For example, if you're a gamer or a movie buff, you might find settings that let you tweak the picture to your exact preferences. But there are also risks. Changing some settings can cause problems with your TV, or even render it unusable. So, you need to be careful. The accessibility of these menus varies across different brands. For instance, some brands like Samsung have a reputation for having more accessible service menus compared to others. On the other hand, brands like LG might have more locked-down menus. What exactly is a secret menu? A secret menu is a hidden interface not accessible through regular navigation. It's usually unlocked using a specific sequence of remote control buttons. These menus provide deeper access to your TV's hardware and software settings. Manufacturers hide these menus for a reason. They're intended for factory calibration, diagnostics, and repairs. Changing the wrong setting can affect performance, or in rare cases, render your TV unusable. That said, many of these options are incredibly useful when used carefully. How to access hidden menus. General methods. Different brands use different codes, but here are some common ways users access secret menus. Remote button sequences, for example, pressing combinations like menu +1 +1 +4 +7 or info plus settings plus mute plus power. Service remotes, special remotes used by technicians. Smart TV developer modes, enabled through system settings or app stores. Mobile apps or USB tools, sometimes used for advanced access. Important: never randomly try codes without knowing your TV model. Always research the exact sequence for your brand. Picture calibration secrets that transform quality. One of the biggest advantages of hidden menus is advanced picture control. While your TV might already look good, secret calibration options can take it to a professional level. What you can adjust: white balance, fine-tune red, green, and blue levels for accurate colors. Gamma settings, control brightness transitions for better depth. Backlight control, optimize brightness without washing out blacks. Color space adjustments, improve color accuracy for movies and gaming. These settings are often used by professionals to calibrate TVs for studio-quality visuals. With careful tweaks, you can achieve more natural skin tones, deeper blacks, and better contrast. Performance boost, speed up your smart TV. Did you know your TV might be slower than it should be, just because of hidden settings? Hidden performance options. Disable background apps. Limit animations and transitions. Clear system cache. Adjust processor usage on some Android TVs. These tweaks can make your TV feel significantly faster, especially if it's a few years old. If your apps lag or menus feel sluggish, this is where the magic happens. Unlocking developer mode features. Many smart TVs, especially Android-based ones, include a developer mode similar to smartphones. What developer mode offers? USB debugging for advanced control. App installation side loading. Frame rate monitoring. Background process limits. For tech enthusiasts, this opens the door to customizing your TV beyond manufacturer limitations. You can install apps not available in the official store or monitor system performance in real time. Hidden audio enhancements you didn't know about. Picture quality gets all the attention, but secret menus also unlock powerful audio settings. Advanced audio controls. Equalizer fine-tuning beyond standard presets. Lip sync adjustment for perfect audio-video alignment. Surround sound calibration. Speaker output tweaks. If your TV audio feels flat or slightly out of sync, these hidden tools can make a huge difference, especially without needing external speakers. Regional locks and feature unlocking. Some TVs come with features disabled depending on your region. Hidden menus sometimes allow you to change region settings, unlock additional apps or streaming services, enable recording features PVR, access different firmware capabilities. Warning: changing region settings may violate terms of service or cause apps to malfunction. Diagnostics and troubleshooting tools. Secret menus often include built-in diagnostic tools that can help identify problems. Common diagnostic features. Screen test dead pixels, color uniformity. Signal strength monitoring. Error logs. Hardware status checks. These tools are incredibly useful if your TV has issues like flickering, poor signal, or strange glitches. Energy and power optimization settings. Hidden menus can also help you reduce power consumption. Adjust panel voltage settings. Enable advanced eco modes. Control idle power usage. Fine-tune auto brightness behavior. These tweaks not only save electricity but can also extend the lifespan of your TV. The risks: why you should be careful. Before you rush to unlock everything, it's important to understand the risks. Changing unknown settings can degrade picture quality. Incorrect values may cause system instability. Warranty may be voided in some cases. Factory reset might not fix all changes. Safe approach. Take photos of original settings. Change one setting at a time. Avoid unknown options. Research your exact TV model. Are secret menus worth exploring? Absolutely, if approached carefully. Hidden TV menus are like unlocking a pro mode for your device. They allow you to go beyond default limitations and truly customize your experience. For casual users, the benefits might be subtle. But for enthusiasts, gamers, and cinephiles, these settings can transform your TV into a finely tuned entertainment powerhouse. Final thoughts: your TV has more power than you think. Your TV is hiding more than just apps and channels, it's hiding potential. From stunning picture calibration to performance boosts and diagnostic tools, secret menus offer a deeper level of control most people never realize exists. The key is balance: explore wisely, tweak carefully, and enjoy the upgrades. Because once you unlock these hidden features, you'll never look at your TV the same way again. I once knew someone who accidentally changed a setting that made their TV unusable. They had to get it repaired, and it was a hassle. So, it's crucial to be cautious. Exploring these hidden menus can be useful for tech-savvy users who want more control over their TVs. However, it's not for everyone. If you're not comfortable with the risk, it's best to stick with the standard settings. If you've had any experiences with these hidden menus, good or bad, share them in the comments. And if you're interested in more tech tips and tricks, consider subscribing.